advice way I won't give you now as a solo wise, you go help you for life. But if you say now yesterday you come, I give you the advice. If I help you pass.
Person when house they catch fire in the pursue rat.
Bow. You better make that person pursue the rat, kill the rat. Because if you leave the rat, the fire no go stop. You better make him pursue and kill him. Hold one thing, or you don't fear like. Are you with me?
Okay, so what? If you see the kind person what verse yesterday.
You verse yesterday because you think say husband the matter. Now by fire by force. Now by fire by force they take the catch a husband. No, over. Are you with me? Now make I ask you. You will be asked someone. How many times will you don't take day by day? Take them out. Buy them better, good things, goodies, kulotam. How many times you don't do them?
Now me you supposed buy better things give am. Be you supposed buy better things give me.
Okay, you way you see asama, make I tell you now. As you want day by day to be yours and yours only. If they hear me so, waiting you supposed to do not to carry and go outside. You buy things, that thing where you go buy, or that is where you go they buy for them, go make them. You know, go remember say another woman there for this world. Now you'll be the only person who go there for your heart.
Abi?
I did tell you. Now here you need me. Over. Take right, I take sense.
Okay, cool. Was that solo wise?
Yes. Though if you don't get money to buy, you know, so some people they even buy car, some they even build house for their man. Are you with me? If you don't get money to do those things, you get something where I could still tell you. If you do them, you will hold on what you come.
What be that?
Well, you go be after if I answer this call. Where they see I'm blessing now. Obama they call me.
Oh, Obama get your number.
And they say, come out. And they no be only say I give him money, beg me. Finally, I pity him. I give Obama my number. Hello. My name na Ahamefuna. My name no go lost. AKA Solo the Wise. Yes. I don't live for Kafanchan, live for Mumbai, Gobe, Hong and Song. Yes, even Asaba, Onitsha. Now I do village. No be honest, I do village. I be chief security officer in charge of one powerful vigilante group. Over.
Oga Solo Wise. I no be president, no be Oma. I be Amarokiti. Obobinagu Ubao. One of your members insulted me yesterday. I said make I come report them to you.
Hello? I know they hear you well. The network is friendly. Yes, call me. Call me night. Call me midnight. Okay, you get problem. You want make I help you? Over. Call me night. Yes. President Obama. Over. Yes.
Hello? Now this kind of thing they make me know they like call Oga Solo Wise. If you be saying there with some people, when they claim say no say na me they call them. We get President Obioma for Nigeria. Nonsense.
Now Obama, I they call me. You don't get AD for America.
I don't say you do popular like this. I just say no only furniture. I don't know say you do popular for even America.
You see your problem. You see what now they talk. Not be only American people them. Are you with me? All over the world, the entire world, they know say this man there here. If I sneeze you see what thing will happen. I tell you, not be because I day here, Igwe and the cabinet biscuit. Cabinet. They know won't give me that respect. Me self, I know they even the border because I know say unya mother dear na nanya. Are you with me? Prophet no they ever get respect for a mother's land.
Yes, so they don't suppose give you chieftaincy titles.
No be say suppose. Even this man will come in now. Obama don't beg me. Beg me. Carry the other one. Eliza, Queen of Eliza. Beg me the time where all of us they drink tea. He say, please, Solo, come receive award, receive title. I say, hold on. You know what thing hold on means? Catch. Let me traverse the house to village. Before I forget, that thing where I tell you, say, I go tell you. Your ear.
Yeah. So if I do, I'm there by day go come back.
You go there, your house they wait for you. I don't go look at that woman.
But that's all right. I don't know how I go thanking you, but thanking you very much, eh?
Don't mention. Over. If you take right, I take sense.
Thank you.
One by one, every day by day, everything where you do. Remember, say you get rewards, oh, and when it come, you must collect you. Oh, yeah, make you use your sense. Hey. Aye.
Asawa. No way they sing like this, they dance. You win rifle.
Waiting I go win. Better pass rifle.
This one way they happy selling money like this. Where they go?
My African prince better pass everything for this world.
Your African
Prince.
Who be that?
My baba now. Day by day.
Day by day.
Yeah.
Day by the same day by day when me and you know.
You know.
Day by day wife come yesterday now. As I talk to you now, then they honeymoon.
I like. You see that girl wake come yesterday? Now husband snatcher. They don't fall for girl. You see that girl? She don't fall like Satan. Macha.
If you shake all these things, you get as they droop a person for face. The thing go to if you see that this thing, yeah, stay one place. Talk am again. Wait up.
You see that girl? Now husband snatcher. As I talk to you now. Day by day come my house yesterday. Tell me say nothing concern with that girl.
And where they go now?
Bam.
Okay, no problem. Go well.
Ahead.
You feel it go.
I'm my African queen.
I'm my African queen. The girl of my dream. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go sing, gotta move. You are my African queen. The girl of my dream. Take me where I've never been. And that is it. But why? You don't touch spirit. I go take notice I enter this place. When you be say African queen don't take your conscience, you don't know what will happen again. You know say if you passion, you don't know the things of love. No be small thing though. No be small thing. You see, tomorrow. I be going to go see my African queen. So now because of that old woman, they wash clothes. Who be old woman? A boyara? You see my African queen yesterday? You see him? Oh. So can't answer like this. If you want to ask question, make you first ask question first. You understand? You could ask question as if say they import me come from this village. And the same village now all of us there. How you could ask who tell you say I don't know who be Asanwa? Asawete. Asanwa. Who be Asanwa? See, make I tell you. Asanwa no fit be my African queen. Make I die. Asanwa. For your information, me and Asanwa, we don't separate. We don't break up. So this is my prayer walk. This chaplet I carry put inside the water say it walk. I don't look the thing, check and balance them. I don't do equation, come out and do everything. See, say, Asanwa no fit you at all. God bless you. You understand? Asanwa no be your type. Now, maybe just go look for a person. See, let me tell you. You saw this is where you get to. If you try you see, day by day, no go marry you again.
Na lie.
See, better something where so the wife tell me say ma go do. I can't hear the tell me that thing.
One is one. One is one. Must you greet me? Now first say you go greet me. I'll meet you. One is one. Nonsense. See, let me tell you, that's what I tell you. If you try them, you will see say the thing will work out for you.
You mean say if I do this way you talk now? My African
direct.
Thanking you.
Go now, go join.
Thank you.
Before you go forget. Rush.
Ma, go.
Go do am. Take am easy.
So, who can be this African queen? Day by day. I don't ask you since who be this African queen. No one tell me.
How you want make I tell you person where you know? You know now.
Because I don't know. In fact, make I ask you. This girl where they talk, this your African queen. She come from this village. This Obahon village.
Filthy lady is not they come from here now. Filthy lady is not they come from this village. Now from Enugu she come from. And she don't go back.
Enugu.
She come from Enugu and she don't go back. She don't go back.
Which drink where you drink where carry you enter Enugu?
Which kind?
Because since we were there for this village, you never open my tell me say you get girlfriend for Enugu.
Oh, Baba Waya. This woman where with the talk? Now my woman. Not be your woman. What they again they want to know?
Yes. I don't want to make this now come begin the. Me and you, we don't share plenty things in common. We don't share money no cause problem for us. Make no business a woman now. Now go begin the make us now the pop spit or babaja.
If you want make it blink quality, you go blink quality.
You no go blink. You no go blink quality.
If you want make it blink quality, you go blink quality.
You no go blink quality at all. You no go blink quality. Go just cause funnel. You got that?
That's him. You don't laugh. You don't laugh. If you want to do Wayona, you go begin laugh.
I know they laugh. I they laugh. See, Ralph, now that man where they do tank crier. Where we say if person die, you go tell us, me go knock. Tell people say person don't die. Now I'm be there, Ralph. You understand? This is why they do now laugh. Day by day. I say make I ask you whether you go fit give me 1,000 naira. By this time tomorrow I go return them.
Nkete has one few then. 1,000 naira. Babu boy, the only money where there in my pocket now 317 naira, and I won't use them for transport. Go Enugu, go see my African queen.
Okay, you want use and transport yourself?
I won't go see my pretty lady.
Okay, go see a pretty lady.
Pretty lady, yeah.
Pretty
lady.
You want use your 370 transport to go see your pretty lady. It's okay, no problem. I wish you safe journey.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you.
Very soon now, me and Nana go date the same level. You know date the same level? I got to mind my business. Me and my pretty lady, my union, the tour of the sweet, of the sweet.
Day by day, one is one, solo wise, not the same thing. In fact, this one where they claim say he dey wise pass every person. This solo wise, now him be the proper fool self.
Solo wise?
Yes, sir.
Why do you talk like that, self? It concern you? It concern you?
Ojam, how no go talk like that? How person go ride bicycle from Obao, pass Owo, pass Amech, enter Ogbeite, go buy groundnut 50 naira. No be proper food.
How you take be food? How you take be food? You know whether that groundnut way won't go for Ogbeite, whether na special with groundnut.
Ojam, groundnut no get special.
Who told you?
Groundnut na groundnut. No matter where you buy it.
Like groundnut get special.
You know get.
You get groundnut where that's special. If you know that's special, if you buy for local market, why you go there? That one no concern you.
You no pay transport, I agree. But when you ride the bicycle finish, if the bicycle spoil, he go repair them. And if he dey weak, he go buy medicine. Ojam, if you calculation this thing, you go find out that this man, who na the console wise, na fool, proper fool self.
You carry bicycle, go buy the groundnut, come. Now in straight way take ride them. I know they talk for their matter. That one concern them. You hear? But where they worry my own be say, they know they do their security work very well. And they no one resign. Now this ones, if for the talk, they listen to you. Not be anything you see, Papa.
No, part of it.
Not better thing where the
Also, and do jam. Where would they go when they come from?
Where would they go? No concern you. Would they go message?
Oh, message.
Would they go message?
Would they go see solo wife? They go. Bye bye. I forget my car for Mosi shop.
Your car?
Mosi shop.
Not true. What you go do now?
Nothing. I make go back. But I go pick up.
Go away. I mean, who are you go follow go?
Make we go together.
You go. Make I go for Solo Wise house. Go wait for you.
Jam no do like that.
Yeah. I know if you stay here this song. Make we go for. They go wait for you for Solo Wise house.
Jam come now. Make no behave like that. Don't two of us they go there. Now you.
Now what to make you forget I'm there, sir? Supposed to go fast. I don't like this kind of thing.
Now my fault. Huh? You wait there. Why you not remind me?
I be your reminder. I know they like this kind of thing. Also, I know that day I no go gree. I no go gree. Make we go. They come now.
Now my fault.
My kinsmen, una welcome to my house. I hope no concern for you.
Solo wise. We no come here for grammarism at all. You hear me? The Igwe and the cabinetors talk say make you and your colleague begin do job sharply. You hear me? But if una think say the job don't pass you now, make una kuku return all the weapons where the villagers gave you.
Una don't talk finish.
We don't finish.
If you take right, I take sense. I saw your sense. Okay, na shout through. Might be reason why they shout. I say we dey quarrel. Sit down, no, my kinsmen. Make I find on a cola. I hope una know wetin I dey chop. So na relax. No, biko. Sit down.
Ndaga ekuwaku se obasokiwe ogade.
Hey, yeah.
Yo.
So if this man bring cola, we go chop am. Yes, now. Let me say go give we cola. Now we beg him to give us cola. No. So therefore, we go chop am well.
Hello. Yeah, how far now? But this is what you do. He good like this. See the way you take come for Banho village. You don't even say make you tell me say you dey come out. You good like that? Wait to. You sleep with her yesterday? I don't understand. No, I know say you go like her, that make me, find out for you. No wahala. God bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Don't mention. How? You open your mouth, the answer solo wise. By the time I finish, I finish this thing why they organize now, we go know between me and you who be solo wise. Whether I be solo wise, I may be solo wise.
Solo wise they enjoy you. So no dry meat inside the dukola. Hey!
If I chop this meat finish, I no go chop anything again today.
Welcome, welcome. Yeah.
Solo.
I think now you go jump.
See, what thing you go shout? We dey quarrel before. Don't be washed.
Hey, una thought say, who thought say vigilante people? Sorry, put your hand. Who thought say vigilante people know they do their work?
No, now also talk am, not me. Now also talk the thing. And not me. You know, say we are you, personal person now. You don't know. Huh? This message where we come now. Now you go for us, you know they for our mind. Eh? Now better thing.
Now who come raise the case for me?
Otherwise, wait. Forgive and forget. You know, say sometimes you going to behave like mad person. Listen to me. Let I talk the truth. I should the devil.
Ojam.
So wait. Also,
It's alright.
Also with your smiling face, you won't confuse me.
You don't mean now.
You don't want to make you talk. So wait.
So wise. Don't be like that. You know, say I always talk how with nice. Igwe, I know very well, na man of people.
Yes. You know Igwe well. You know Igwe well. See, Igwe no dey joke with anybody where they gossip at all.
So now who be the gossiper? Of course, who be the gossiper?
Don't worry. When we catch the person, but you come, we will bring them to you.
Yes.
Come, ma show now. No, come. There is something I want you.
Solo?
No, mother, come, ma show so something. Come, piano.
Solo?
Piano. Leave the place, come.
Okay.
Make I show na something. Solo. When you dey talk, you know what you dey talk. Yes. Over.
Solo?
Over.
Wise man.
Talk. I want like this Sabi Nigeria. Hey. Ojam.
Solo wise. What do you give us don't disappear?
It be my dream, I dey dream.
For German house, impossible. How person go enter my house will be army base? Because Solo Wise house, they like army base. Thief something and go free. It's not possible. Impossible.
Solo wise. It don't happen, we say it don't happen. They don't come. If the thing go, you don't see anybody, you don't catch anybody. No. What you go do now?
Talk say, I never catch anybody. Watch me. If you take right, I take sense. When you sense, cool down. I go call Queen Elizabeth now. Anything where you find me, because I'm sure say he go use a microscopic. Show me the thief. Anything where talk say I do, I go do it now.
No call him, please. No call him. Wait. No call Queen Eliza. See, we go tell you what will happen. You go come investigate. You hear?
Hello.
Wetin happen? What they talk? Now the thing why they talk be that. If the security people they work, this kind of thing for no happen.
Then they work. The chairman of security not be solo wise. He don't change.
Jan make they talk this kind of thing. They are not working. If they work, this kind of thing no more happen for chairman house. They not go fit come and thief something and come out. And this what happen now. Now time when they show say I go on a cracker. Anything fit to happen.
And if to say we know that I will for chop that color.
Wiser, wiser. Wiser, wiser.
Minus devil plus God. Amen.
From the east.
Hello.
Hello.
So wise. The only man will be so you no fit cheat. What's in the apple?
My brother, I know they okay. I know they okay now.
Okay.
Imagine, I'm robber enter my compound. My compound will be like a military zone. Keep off. Enter. Come thief meat. Where I serve my kinsmen.
I'm waiting.
Robber.
You see the armed robber?
Now they are all day. You know, say me and my kinsmen. We enter house. I won't go show them won't go show them something for inside room. As I just show them finish, they come out. Now in the plate disappear. Even the idiot self thief the meat, carry the plate.
You get one way they scatter my head where all these armed robbers dey. But once you don't come and say your profession now, make you begin to steal. If you want steal better thing now. Go steal mansion wey person build, you steal the mansion. If they call you armed robber, you go good to answer. What did armed robber get to do with bush meat?
Oh, I know. Imagine, I know.
And so wise. I don't know. As I just ask you, you know, you get any person where you carry for mind if you do this thing?
Yes, of course. With the security strategy and security wiseness, in the point to 1 is 1. Now 1 is 1, 9 thief that meat.
1 is 1. I talk him. You see that boy where they call 1 is 1. The very day where I see that boy, the first time I see that boy. In fact, the people they call him 1 is 1. They call him 1 minus 1. Because you see this way this boy do now. I get disappointed for where this boy did. Honestly.
Anyway, don't worry. From this my case, in cup don't fool. God go take this my case and dispose am. You go hear our score. No, when you take right, I go take sense. I go only sense. We go talk later.
Okay, no wahala.
Wiser, wiser. Wiser, wiser. Wise man. Wise the people. Wise men.
You claim wise man. You dey call yourself so wise. Catch you, idiot. I never chop you mugu now. I don't chop you mugu. Oh, Bobo. Bone.
Shebi Bible talk say, make we dey wise dey like Dikeh yo. Ọ̀pọ̀ akwụkwọ nsọ kwuru si, make we dey wise dey like Dikeh yo. Idikwa very wise dey like Dikeh yo. Adekwa m too sharp like Dikeh yo. Shebi you dey wise like Dikeh yo. Adekwa m too sharp like Dikeh yo. Mana oke sense na safo. Okay, sense in the hands of
Hey, what baby? Good morning. How are you? Where you dey go? That one is important. Hey, Mama Ruby, I want cook delicious, santalicious, mangalicious pepper soup for my man. But I get only 1 bucket of pepper. No first, you get pepper. Ma, Ada, go down for her. Hey! You have full buckets of pepper only. You still they look for another. You get pepper. Biko, you get kerosene. I no get. Never go market. We are fit to buy kerosene now. Papa, I ain't go market. Farmer, I get kerosene. I'm going to make I go there now. Thank you. Enemies of progresses. Ordinary small pepper. Make I join the 1 bucket where I get cook better, delicious, Santa malicious, takalicious pepper soup for my man. She no get.
What is one? You don't propose me. You don't provoke me and I no like am. Not that they provoke you, the thing wey dey there. Well, you know, I know say this guy, Solo Wise, na your man. I don't want to talk with you, I go talk now, I go die before my time. Solo Wise no be my friend. Solo Wise no be my friend. Huh? You no be my friend again, oh. Now before you be my friend, I no like the man. You too the black. Huh? They talk say you do this one, he be this one, he be this one, he be this. To the black. If I get opportunity now, one time, I don't tell. That guy, he won't brag in you small. He can't do the brag well. And people they believe anything where it talk. People just they believe anything where it talk. Huh? If not that one no dey vex me again. Because that one be say any good thing will happen for this village na Solo Wise. That means nobody do anything again. One is one. And that thing make me no one take this my 2 years. Hear anything about Vigilante Group? Huh? If you and the cabinet, you know, make you or Babu Wire the leader of the group, I go support the person. But if you're so wise, you no go walk. You no go happen at all. Like me, I no get appetite to come out for anything. But you, if you come out, I will support you. See, if they make me the leader of the group, if they make me the leader of the group, I swear, you see government, they go to pay us salary like police. Salary. They go to pay us salary. Salary or salary. Salary like police. Go back. Ibrahim. What's in the fire? Go back. I don't want to see you here. Go back.
You will be my African prince.
The boy, who be African prince? I be African prince. Yo, see make I tell you. You know Phoebe my African queen. You know Phoebe my African queen. Tomorrow, I dey go may I go see my pretty lady, my yoli.
No person. Now better to soup and better. Now carry come apologize to you. Make you forgive and forget.
Carry your ibu, carry your pepper soup, carry your apologizing, carry everything. Go back to your house. I go window you. Forgive and forget. And do it. How many times? Where I don't tell you say, I no go maladiscipline. How many times? I never tell you before that I no go maladiscipline.
I know they make you marry me. I don't get with the come today, come tomorrow when me and you do. The place? Huh? You the place? You get up, say you dey here. You just get up, say you dey here. Ibu. Beleng the pepper soup. Thank you. Thank you.
Wiser. Wise man.
Solo. Solo. I say bad belle people call you house until they meet where you take do color for Ojamandozo.
My brother, sorry. Now so I take here but this time devil come miscalculate because waiting days I no be bushmeat as you think. Na bones.
But Ojamandozo say na bushmeat.
Take am from me as Solo wife. And they tell you say waiting day there no bushmeat. Na bones.
How they no go know? Bushmeat and bones na the same?
Would I tell you, if you take right, I take sense. As only sense Solo the wise. I can't use the bones, put them inside plate, take another plate, cover them before I serve. So they don't know say na bones. Yes.
Solo wise. How you can't do that into them?
I do them with reason. You see Ojam and Ozo, both of them na busybody. I won't take that one. I won't use them to embarrassing them so that next time they no go venture to come to near my house, not to talk of to come my house, come deliver stupid message next time. but not their God and save them. This one is one can't thief that bone.
You say now one is one thief, am?
I'm telling you. Yes, as a security man or as a man in charge of security matters, security strategy. Now in point I'm saying now one is one, 94. Because now one is one, now be the only state enemy where this man get here. But don't worry, he got know our story.
Solo wise. Make you know talk the thing where you know show.
Oh, the waiting be your own. I don't tell you, say, if you take right, I take sense. As on your sense, can you work and work? Then make I tell you this thing. Anyway, over. You got know how can you hear our story. I won't go somewhere.
Okay, we shall see in the evening.
Yeah.
Everybody, wise. Wise.
Hey! Okay. What's up? No. Sorry, I was I know won't you. I won't you.
See, make I tell you, Solo White. If not because of the way you take there for this village, like say no be the kind of regard what I get for you. If no another person I do me this thing, by now the person for use pack and I they pack in teeth.
Sorry, this kind of thing never happened to my life before. Listen, na devil. Now what scatter our relationship? God no go allow. I'm sorry.
Because the thing now, I don't begin to go worry. I don't enter inside spirit. They ask myself for spirit whether you get as person don't come tell you say open man tell you say na me steal your bush meat. We make you now one begin to do anyhow or go jam me.
Which kind of talk with that? If person tell me say you see you as you can't carry the meat, I no go ever believe him. Because I know person will be my enemy and the person will go thief am. Now one is one. Now him be my state of enemy. But God don't punish him. You know say now bones. Now him there for the plate. This is a bushman.
That one is one. I mean, I want to record that idiot's name. That boy don't become another thing for this village. Meanwhile, where you can't go now?
I want enter Enugu. I say make I enter Enugu.
Enugu.
I won't go Enugu, go prison. Go give them official report for person who can't thief my meat.
I think if person want to do report, you go just go for police station, go put report.
Police now then they catch thief. But if I go Enugu now, go tell prison people say they thief my meat. They go make arrangement. They go make arrangement. Make the prison vacant for the incoming thief. Anytime where one is one go thief my thing again, they go arrest them, put them. That one go give us direct entry to prison.
Okay, that is
one is one.
Okay, one is one. Solo wise. The only man we sabi. Now Basco, I want to go Enugu.
I don't want to waste my money for transport for motor. You know, say motor their time, then they waste a lot of time. Yeah. Before they go load finish, I don't use my motorcycle, my motor reach.
Plenty money.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry, my brother, no verse.
No, it's okay. Use the speedometer.
Okay. Okay, the mileage.
The mileage.
I don't remember.
Wise the men from the east. Village wise. Everybody wise.
Make you no think say because we bring this pepper soup, I go river Nigerian Malayo. They leave that one. And this one I don't say.
No mind now. If you never see tears from my face, you know they happy.
I just want make I remind you to the case you know remember. By the way, which kind meat you take cook the pepper soup?
Meat. Nah, sweet pepper soup. I think so I carry come. You say which kind meat?
Blenga come. You carry bitter leaf come.
Man, I don't go take over you bitter leaf.
But wait so. No be I didn't take eat pepper soup.
Hey, sweet pepper soup.
Wake up. What is that? What's that? Jebadi, no offense. You say, I know, remember to tell you, say, every 12 o'clock, my grandmother will die. Yes, mom people, she will bring food for me. Grandma, where don't die?
So chop this food with your wife for you. Okay, go house. Yeah, she go first.
Your grandmother?
Yes.
Asamu.
Wash.
Wait. What thing you bring come make a chop?
Sweet pepper soup. If you test it, you go like a
Sweet pepper soup.
Hey, you go like a
Sweet pepper soup. Asamu. Test them. Test of all. Test them. Test of all.
Hey, my test the pepper soup.
Test them.
Sweet pepper soup. Oh, sweet. Okay. Let's say you like it now. So man, don't finish this pepper soup. Is it?
Is it, Huh? You know it again. Ibu. I talk am. Now person you bring come make I do top that. Oh, the top one, the bit sweet well. Where is the lot to go? If you think one. It's a pursue. What's gonna pop? Come back, come collect ya.
Yeah, we him Mama do we talk. Say 3 of us. So we know they qualify to marry the daughter. Say the only person will reach to marry the daughter for this village. Now this Yeye guy, solo wise. So we know reach.
No people say she talk say we know they qualify to marry in Pekin and they invest me. You understand? This woman open her mouth. In fact, I don't even know where she come out this thing from. Open her mouth. Go look us finish. I tell this how you go talk say we know qualify to marry your daughter. Are they ready to marry? Are they going to the yellow one? Nkapena aja ku dele ribulia. Ona juku dele mo make go up mind here. Iburia. You got that? Before you go ask a question, make you first ask a question first. No be that one they pay me. This woman open her mouth. I don't even know what she eat that day. Talk say for this village, say will be holy infinity.
If I lie, may thunder fire 3 of us. I will think that woman talk.
Leave come out thunder. Now, wait, make the thunder wait. You understand? If this thing what would they talk, if not be waiting this come up for this woman mouth. If you see this woman, nonsense woman, person go they waka for front. The woman don't they waka for front, they go be like say they use toe rope, they tow her nyash, they come. This woman, if not be what she talk, make all the good things where me and they look for. Make all of them they travel.
Hey, but why? All this one they talk, no they pay me. Waiting be the meaning of holy friend.
Holy Trinity. Holy Trinity. Oh, boy, tell her waiting me Holy Trinity.
Holy that's holy. Ode for that place now. What in the woman they try to talk say, she say for this village, say in fact say 3 of us as we dey for this village. Now I win guy. Now the only person where she know for this village we get connection. Now be solo wise. She say solo wise get international connection. You get national connection. You get she even open her mouth talk say solo wise now don't they drink Remy. No now to see Remy now.
I can never.
Oh, na big embarrassment now. Na big embarrassment. That one na proper insult. Make I tell you now. We no go leave the woman. We no go leave am.
You know all this is where they talk. Leave the woman. For me, the woman no be the problem. My own be say make we just dey like this na plan. Say make we keep solo wise. If you keep solo wise, all our problems for this village don't settle. If you no kill am, the guy go still dey do.
Good plan. May we go kill her this night.
But don't forget say you go still there alive.
You go see that life. You go follow us kill him.
You don't forget say for this village. You don't forget say for this village. Villagers still there. Not be only 3 of us there for this village. Anything we make us now can't go kill solo wise. You understand? Igbo go come out, everybody go come out to go enter prison.
Prison?
Yes, prison.
My hand no, they don't want to enter prison.
No be pleasing.
Na prison.
No be pleasing. Prison. See why?
No, he go pleasing. Okay. We will go pleasing. Yeah, because if we kill solo white, now you go pleasing. Now him pleasing, we prison.
Okay, prison. You enter prison.
Enter prison. Okay. So now, I get better plans for us. Talk am.
Onye onye si na faga ye meko, onye si na faga ye riko. Ichokwaludo, Ichokwaludo.
What is wrong with you? Leave the road now. Are you deaf? Did you hear my horn?
Now who get that question? No, now me get that question. Who is deaf? Me, I be person where they hear where I no see.
I am talking to you. Leave the road, let me go.
Make I tell you, you be road user. Me, myself, I be road user. Anyhow, where I decide, I use the road. If I like to lie flat, I lie. You self, anyhow, where you like, you use the road. So therefore, your complaint now, none and the vote. What did they talk?
Is something wrong with you? Listen, leave the road now, or I will crush you, and I mean it.
You with me? You caught me! Oh yeah, make I tell you say, oh yeah, make I tell you say, I'm ready for this accident. Oh yeah, my no, oh yeah, jam me, now make I jam me. Who know, we go know the one we go wound.
I see you want to die, but I won't be the one to kill you. Go to the market, buy a rope and hang yourself. Restricted food.
Now you, when no say, it's a cycle. They too, son of a car, pass this one. Mba! You never even see idiot. When you see idiot, you go know say this man fine, pass idiot. What in the do
Babu wife, we don't hear what you talk. But we won't make insurance or say this your plan go work.
So can't like this, if they talk, if they talk like say, when they talk something, I carry water from mouth to the talker. I want to water no dey for my mouth when I talk. Make I tell you, I get DHP for this thing. This plan, this Nchoncho plan, I get DHP for it. By the time I finish the plan, what I get for where Solo Wise dey, shame na go carry Solo Wise come up for this village. And if Solo Wise mistakenly go enter Enugu, police for Enugu go arrest Solo Wise. You mean it? I tell you. See, I get plenty things for this place. You see this head where you see? Eh? I get plenty things for this place. I don't want to talk now. By the time every circle complete, circuit complete, I tell everybody. Honestly.
Babu wire. Glamour. Glamour babu wire. No challenge me for glamour. No challenge me at all. No challenge me. You spoke today, day by day. I will speak tomorrow.
You don't tell him. No, you don't tell him. See, make I tell you, I break late. How about you, I break late. You understand? If you spoke today, I go speak tomorrow.
I don't even understand what they talk yourself. When I suppose I say, when I don't forget where to carry come here. Problem we will get that is everybody for this village, when I know say yes, say Solo Wise don't make us vex. You don't make everybody vex for this village. If we do one thing, God no go vex because none of those many things. We talk of this thing.
Hello?
My African queen.
Where are you?
My love, I did an emergency meeting somewhere.
After the emergency meeting, I go begin coming.
Don't worry, I'm already at your house.
You mean it?
Yes, I'm right here, but your door is locked.
Okay, no worry, my love. No worry, they come.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
African queen. Wait. Huh? Just like that. Just like that. I don't think so.
I don't tell you. I don't. You better say this one happen for your eyes. You better say this one. I will tell you about this day by day. This day by day now something else. You don't believe me. See, important discussion what they discuss for this place and how we take bring Solo Wise down. Now this idiot come up for this place because of woman. 2 minutes. Second, bam, he will come out. Then make I leave this discussion. Come on for this place. I tell you.
You want to beat me? Now me tell I make you come out.
I don't tell you. When I tell you they agree. What did I tell you? Tell this day by day, now nonsense human being. You agree?
See, man, I tell you one thing now. For this town, for this village, now, like this, now the condition where we did. Now this idiot follow contribute am. Now him follow do am. Anything we dey suffer this village now, now him cause am.
Una dey work, abi una dey do parade?
Now work we dey. Anything for us?
Nothing for you people. Anyway, I just dey pass na greet na dey greet. His una dey work. Okay. More hits on armpit.
So wise. Wait, see. Now God wait there forever. Make all of us meet.
What do you have? I need my security international advice.
You see, me will be day by day. I won't make you will be so wise. Join this our vigilante group.
How?
Now people like you now. Now people like you we need now. Now people like you we need for this our vigilante group.
Hey, okay, people like us.
I'm telling you.
Anyway, young men and young women, so now here waiting to talk.
Yes.
So now concur.
Me since yesterday.
So waiting be on our own talk.
Yes, one. Yeah, one make you join us. I check every join now. Now borrowing get there.
Anyway, it's not that one not be serious issue. When I go come my house so that both of us, all of us, go deliberate on the federal and the state international security matters. Then after that one, now we know where to head away. We know head away. For now, over. But what? BBB, I don't get break. Oh, BBB.
If the person I want, we go give. My grandma go fall. We go
I hope you're chairman. I mean, vigilante chairman. For now.
Bros, you go just see answer question where you know the answer. You will begin to ask.
I wonder.
If you look at our face for this place, you go know say this face and they wear the chairman. Yeah? Let me be chairman for this place. Any problem?
Okay, now you be the chairman.
Yes.
Well, no problem. I just want to know the chairman. Make I answer. You know this man here. Don't go soon or know me. This man here now former. Though I never go to the office. I did my house. Former FFB. I mean FBI. So I want to ask some security questions. So like say now you be chairman now. You get any working security experience either locally, internationally, or intermediate, or its equivalent? That one is very important.
Okay. For that one. Oh, that one will be problem. That's why they for Port Harcourt. You understand? You get one security people waiting for this side. So now I can go apply. Tell the man say I want to be security. Now the man can say okay, say I come late. The man no come agree again. So as I come out for the gate, you get people they sell pure water for the other side. So now I can go for that place. The people they sell pure water. They come employ me. They sell pure water.
Okay, okay. Pure water seller. No, you know they work as security man.
No, the security they decide. That then the pure water. Are they from here now? They look inside the security people. They look their work.
Okay. That one not be working experience. As on a day like this now, you get person where get security working experience or equivalent, equivalent. This one is very important. Equivalent.
So wise. What thing we do you? Reduce the glamour. Reduce the glamour. Reduce them. This glamour too heavy.
Organoverse, you know say you just come. We don't do for this village. We don't do for this village, Tete. You understand? We know all the English when they speak. Then that reduce way here. Now you don't tell what they hear. Very soon I go here increase. Okay.
This man here, Solo, the wise. If you take right, I take sense. That's when you sense. I have 25 years security working experience. Yes, both locally, internationally, stately, or even otherwise, or even the equivalent. I get all of them.
Hey, nah. I tell you before. I tell you.
Say na God wait there for heaven, Almighty God. Na him bring God's come in your house.
Exactly. So if una want this thing today so solid as in the vigilante, I dey suggest, no beside the mandate, una go make me chairman.
Okay, no vessel. We get chairman. Chair. We get chairman. You can be the assistant provost.
Post on you.
Assistant provost.
You go call am assistant monkey post.
Okay, so now don't get chairman. No before say solo wise go join una. If una get any security advice, I go give them. So una go.
Solo wise. I don't talk like this now. Don't talk like this. Huh? Boy, you know go design. Make sure wise the chairman. You know the problem where you get. See, make I tell you. Anytime you go, before you go ask person question, first ask question first. You understand? Okay? As you see me like this, why they talk to you, I don't already resign. See. In fact, okay, now be the chairman now. You don't resign. Yeah,
no. Don't I know they talk like this. How you go look yourself with your this thing? You say don't resign.
Don't resign.
Okay. All of una here agree. Una can unanimously concur. Say na me go be una chairman.
Since yesterday.
It's okay. In that case, we go wait. Maybe after 1 week, when we get chance, we go see Igwe now and the cabinet where we confirm for confirmation.
Wait. Maybe they go now. So why? Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Okay, you know say I don't tell you before. Say very dangerous. Make you forgive her. The lane where they hear, no be the rain where they fall. And what do you mean now? Delay and not delay. You understand? Wait.
Mean delay?
Thank you, yes.
Oh my God! No. Queen Elizabeth was here this. Queen Elizabeth.
No, just flash up.
After.
You know her? Queen Elizabeth into the flash.
After.
I don't go call her now.
You know, now this thing and the cause our problem. We no can get group again. We know they do anything. Anything we do for this village, people go carry the praise. Give to the wife, send and do. Me and you now will not get anything for this village. We will do now to walk up and down in a swarimi, pocket of nose.
See, make I tell you, one is one. You understand? I don't like all this giri bomb what they do. Doctor, where they treatment people, and then government contact say, doctor, no treat again. What in government collect now in certificate, they not collect in brain. You understand? For this village, people say will not be vigilante, but for me and you be vigilante. You understand? By the time I finish with solo wise for this village, solo wise go. All the things we will lose, all the things where people will go recover everything for ourselves.
Yes, but you get what I want to make you know. But we break. They don't fear arrange them again. No. How we go take you now to get the love and the trust people get for us back? How go take you?
I can tell you. One is one. Before you go ask question, make you first ask question first.
If the person don't know I'm
you fail them. You understand? You talk say broken bottle no get mequatalism. If you don't break, you don't break. Breaking bottle no be when they don't pack and go block bottle company. By the time they carry and go bottle company, put them in order, it go become bottle for beer. You got that? So leave all this green bomb, all this thing where you see this rain where they fall. This rain where they fall go soon dry, sun go shine. You understand? And people for this village go see.
You don't tire me. How go do something finish if you suffer? Do something for this village. People go use their own mouth. Carry them. Put for solo wise head. Say na into them. They pray them.
Security, the vigilante, babu wire. One by one, every day by day. Everything where you
today market good well. It don't take me time I sell everything I carry go market.
My sister, buyers come well today.
Yes, now because today na Saturday now. Yes.
Today na Saturday? No wonder. For say now.
Hold on. If you move, I will just cut all of them down. When it's down.
Daddy, my young should go. You don't have
it. Ah. This is not Tigon now.
Tigon! No, wasn't it?
Not Tigon? Ah.
Wait. Ojam, you know me very well. I know they had my own. This man won't have the call solo wise. You sure say the brain complete. You sure say the brain they complete. I be something they worry for him. How people go carry 1, 2, 3, 4 phones? Carry am for neck. The ride bicycle they walk around the village. Eh? You sure say the brain they complete?
You feel like saying your head not correct. You know who the talk to? Chief Secretary Officer and I they talk to like that.
They might hear word, I don't hear.
You don't know the person?
I say man hear word.
Fula, aka Solo Wise. Now they talk like that.
They might hear word, I don't hear that one before.
Also,
huh?
You know say Solo Wise that him the secret behind the success of this vigilante group.
I tell him.
You don't know?
What did you do before?
See you.
What be this?
You don't know?
You know that for this village?
Talk
you know here what happened 2 days ago?
Talk now, no.
You
Talk
know
it.
Wait, you know now, just the pretend. Tell me.
Oh, I say talk, may I hear now?
You know nothing that this Solo West. Now I said Mama Adobe and Mama Emeka from the hands of armed robbers. Now you they talk like this, Pepper say they made them mad. You mean it? I don't mean them.
I don't hear them. You don't hear that now.
You don't hear that now.
Hey.
Every time, papa.
I don't know.
Those folks where they put for neck, now they take the connect.
Keep your mouth. We don't know what you
take the connect.
Close your mouth.
Nonsense village elders. Anything we do, they go carry the glory. Give Solo Wise. Chief, when me and my group, me and my men, suffer, pursue the armed robbers with our machete. Now they talk say, you don't know what's going to happen. Solo Wise. We go do. Now Solo Wise 9-2. How am I sure say nobody will understand them? Nonsense. Solo Wise. Solo foolish elders.
See, I tell you, the more they remember all these things now, if I tell you something, the verse I lie for you, I the verse more and more.
The kind of verse they catch me for this place. Now, if you put food for my mouth, you go fall come out. Honestly speaking, I have to tell you how the thing don't pay me rich. But you see, Solo Wise, by the time we finish, in fact, I don't want to talk too much for Solo Wise matter. I believe in for action. Make we put action for this matter, person house go. Make we put youth for this matter, person house go ball. Make we come out. I don't want to talk too much. Make we go.
I don't say,
person house go ball.
I don't say no be your house. When no try be your house, go ball no.
Anything ready? Anything ready?
Hey, my darling, I did very, very sorry for keeping you waiting. You see, I did for emergency meeting, no. Even if we never dismiss, I say make I leave them. Now I lost come home, come see my love.
That's my baby. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, you no go to work today, you no go work.
I did, but I took permission from my boss.
Boss what? You get boss?
Of course I did. You know what? Go in and freshen up. I'm taking you to Enugu today.
Enugu? I go come back today?
I don't know yet.
I know. What did I want to take myself? Even if I 1 week. No wahala.
Why you dey feel like this? You don't have a profession.
Don't make my difficult. Oh.
Sorry, go back here and go bring your hat. I don't say don't jump.
Hey, that's so nice. Accident, no.
Not true. You know say not true. This is where you talk. You know say this is my leg, this Benz. Nearly last time, if you put me for trouble.
Now so I move, waka. I won't stop and say no. I come with my friend. If no be say that guy na my friend, by now, if I don't take the person to mortuary, sorry, to hospital. You may say you jam somebody. Don't be say we jam. I say na collision. Collision. As I dey come my head and the head with the bicycle. He wah!
Hey. God forbid you jump and pass.
So, as he look me, he said, friend, why? I said, sorry. Hey, you done right. Hey. Asa, what do you think say they do?
Peeling, boiling, yam.
Now you come they come out, look at the way you they waste your yam.
How?
Now where's the waste them? Why not take your hand, take your knife, divide them into 4, carry your hand by yourself, throw away it. Make we not say now you use your hand, condemn your yam. No, say this thing where they come out now, na fiber. And this fiber now, it is good to a person like you and me.
God forbid, I don't need fibroid.
You see waiting at the talk. As I wish there I go the talk, the thing go to enter your warehouse. When I the talk, you go to store them for your warehouse. When you get a person like me, it's supposed to be your credential for lectures and for lecturers, for corrections and for teachings. Let me tell you now. Lecture start. Lecture number 1: difference between the fiber and the fibroid. Number 1. Fiber, now that thing. If they hear me, Fiber, now that thing where they make man the shit without frowning of face. With no frowning of face. You dey hear? Why fibroid? Now that thing where they make woman sit, position to shit with frowning of face.
Two of them are fair and decent. You
see your life. We tell you say we there for you. Where then they give certificate? Where then they give result? Say you get 3-9. For yam, we no get 3-9. We don't get 3. We don't get A.
Hey, yeah, solo wise, eh? Hey, you too much. Your sense, you get over sense. Hey, thank you. Oh, I got the boiler like this now.
Now listen. Attentiveness. If you carry and put for pot, boil them. When it done, bring them down. Follow me. Put them for tray. Use your hand. Not allow knife to come close. If they hear me, take your hand. Come out the coat. Eat the yam with the tie.
Tie? Yam they get tie?
No, that why I went there. Well, is the woman. Like with the tie.
Thank you for the lecturing.
Don't mention. Take it right and take it sense. As Onye says. May we enter the main thing where carry me come here. How your holiday? When I do reconciliation.
Now day by day you mean?
You get the honey, boy.
Yeah, and day by day. No. Now one go, let's draw. Now we do.
Wait. Now who talk that thing? Day by day talk say go less 1-1. You agree. For which pit? For which stadium?
Pitch.
No, for which stadium? And you self you agree. No, say you supposed to say no, you need the free kick. Sorry, you need penalty kick. And you know say when you take him for penalty kick, you go kick past him. Anyway, no bother yourself. If you talk like this, see, day by day now my man. Sorry, now my boy. Day by day now my boy. If they hear me, if I come out now, I go call and say, come, day by day, come, go to Asanwa house, go apology. Day by day go wrong, kaf, come here, come lie down, apology give you.
You mean go do this one for me. Hey! Thank you very much, eh?
Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much.
Which hour this year go done?
Come. You don't hear say otherwise. Talk say na me thief the bushmeat where you won't give old jam and the other person.
See, make I tell you, Even when he talk the thing, open mouth talk say, one is one stealing meat. I say, we all of us are friends for this village. Why you go open your ordinary meat? Person thief your ordinary meat, you won't go begin to announce to the whole world. As I talk to you like this now, Solo wise don't go in Nugu to go report the matter, give prison people because of bush meat.
Talk true.
I tell you.
Which day?
Now one day why I don't know waiting in drink, I mean I waiting in chop. Begin the you want use in particle kill me. Now that they don't tell me the thing.
And as you hear this thing since, as my friend, if I hear about it, I go tell you. If you hear about it, you're supposed to come tell me. As you hear this thing since that time, why you no tell me? And now they work up for this village, they walk up and down.
You know, say, if a person open his mouth, they talk yawo yawo, they talk anything will enter his mouth. You understand? You get one English word, you people they talk say. If person they talk nonsense, they talk plenty things. Make you live. In fact, the best way you go do is to keep quiet, make you no answer. You understand? As they talk the yawo yawo, talk the yawo yawo, I say, if you get muscle for body, you know the fear. What thing will make a no can tell you say solo wise one is one, you thief my meat. If you know the fear. You understand?
In fact, you know what will happen? Like this now, anywhere I see solo wise when talk nonsense about me, I go kill him, killing spirit, killing soul. In fact, I no go apologize to anybody if I do that kind of thing.
I don't support this one we talk now. You say this everything we talk here since I support you, but if this particular one, I don't support you for this one. Because if I even do them mad. Some people now they work out, say they be human being, they don't die. They look for somebody that don't hack somewhere. And that you got that. As the B says solo wise, don't go report the case, give prison people. If you want to ask a question, make you first ask a question first before you go ask a question. It is solo wise. All this word that people now fit come carry you put inside prison, and you no go like her. You got that?
There's no problem because this English way white people they talk say fear accusation, fear no fear, and they fear for anything.
But see, make I tell you, you know what English is okay, man. You got that? Make English and it's more than see, make I tell you what this life will live before you go ask a question. Make you first ask a question first, because. Like say you and day by day collect the plan. Go and tell on us what we use. By now, everything for don't work out well for us. You got that? Hello?
Hello? Another finish?
Day by day. See, day by day, where you there now? All of us supposed to go Igwe place.
Igwe Paris. What do they go do for Igwe Paris?
We supposed to go Igwe house now. Make we go tell Igwe say solo wise no be our member again.
Wait. Oh, now one form another group.
Again?
I'm not gonna go see Igwe. I'm very busy now. I'm there with my stainless baby. I know if you come.
Day by day. Day by day. Don't start with this your Jaguda live. This is your Sabu. This is your many live. You don't start them again.
Which one be Sabu live? Huh? Can you not walk out? I tell you say I did with my stainless baby. Not walk out. Can I watch it? So you want me to leave my pretty ready? For now they do nonsense meeting. You can cut off phone on Yala.
We supposed to go Igwe. Hello?
You don't cut.
Okotola.
Hello? I beg, see, can watch it go with you now. Forget day by day, forget everybody. In fact, for me, make we follow our initial plan. The plan with me and you get. Oh, forget Igwe, forget everything. So that when we finish do all the things we want to do for this village, by me try again, Solo wise is gonna say he get pepper and he get Ghana pepper.
True. Because before you go ask a question, make you first ask a question first. You got that?
Let's go. Now my boys, you know, these boys, they too they disturb me. They're wild too much. Let's go. They're wild too much.
Honey, can you drive?
Drive? Drive? At the drive, I be a smart driver. At the drive, but not for dealing. But if you want me to drive for physical, who am I to say no? I go driver. I be a smart driver. The drive.
I wish you can really drive because I'm tired.
So you want me to drive you now? Wait, I go at the come, make I go out of go toilet. Go off road. I go off road for toilet. I come. I go off road. Make I go toilet and come back.
Hi, Solomon. This is why you tell me get a CBO.
I don't understand. You self, you don't understand what I talk.
I'm not understanding it too. No, I'm not understanding it. You know, see, I didn't marry 2 men.
What him bring 2 men inside this case? Huh?
Yeah, while they do me like this, I'm for help.
Okay. Oh, you one time you say your wahala, and this one, what I tell you now for your head, the like say they married 2 men. Okay, now. Share, I they help you before, Abi?
Not true.
Good. Yeah. Now, this one, what I tell you now, it's too much. Okay, fine. As your friend now, you say you be my friend now. As your friend, tell me what in be your mind. Make I hear. Yes.
So, Louise, you know, say you be man of the people. Everybody like you, eh? And so your great God created you. Let me say that that's the money, oh.
You see?
You know, you people they call this thing destinies.
No, now this ain't gonna speak more than me. No, not destination. Destination. Yes.
Destination. Destination.
Not my destination.
Now so.
Asa baby. Asa. You know. Are you with me? You on point. Okay.
Make I ask you my own question. If you overthrow Chomatu, what will happen?
You know, see, if you take right, I take sense. As only sense simple now. If I achieve I'm overthrow him now, I go become Igwe solo wise. One of this Obahu kingdom, ancient kingdom. But this is what I tell you now. Please, secret me. Are you with me? Are you with me? Secret me. Even when you do game playing on top of bed with your honey, no even mention it. Look, I'm going to tell him. I'm not going to tell him. So, as the Igwe elect, Igwe appointed, Igwe incumbent, as Igwe incumbent, I go serve my people without looking back. I mean, I go serve them well.
This thing what you talking now, Igwe can show what 2 of ancient kingdom not fit do for us.
No.
One day.
You know.
Carry go. Not just symmetrism.
Call me small Igwe.
Igwe.
My people. Alone.
See that woman? That should be that.
Nah, she be that.
As I did like this, in fact, more see later.
Go talk with him. Don't go see day by day with his African queen. Come. Stay there. Madam, make I tell you one thing. No, for your life, till say me 1 + 1. I'm get Zuzu. They are no longer.
Decrease.
To marry your daughter, are they mad? Are they marrying beside?
And waiting one of you. 2 are boy. One is one. He called himself. Waiting he gets. We go make my stainless speaking. To Zuzuru marry him.
Madam, if you talk this one is one or what he call himself, you go be like say, see this person where they put this place. Now be the one is one. You understand? If you talk one is one, what be him? If you like say the person.
No, now him be under him book him life.
See one is one here. If you know the fear, talk to him.
Yes. And make I tell you, no forget the way me and my man.
Yes.
Take rescue you from the hands of the armed robbers. Yes. That day, no matter say na toy gun they carry, but we still pursue them. Pursue. My man can't get injured. Now lie.
Now your mama, you save.
Jesus Christ.
From armed robbers.
Mom.
As far as I dey concerned, na solo why save my life and mama Emeka's life that day.
Solo waiting. Solo.
Zuzuru because from new. I know.
See this woman, oh.
See this woman, oh.
You get like say your husband don't die, oh. Because if your husband...
Wait, this one, she still got a husband?
No, that the husband no they alive. The husband just gave up.
Because let's say the husband they alive now, the husband now for receive this beat.
Abi, for even beat the husband for marrying the woman, for marrying nonsense. In fact, the original robbers, Ndosh.
If I remember that way, that woman, this nonsense, the woman talk.
Yeah, come up with the go.
Honey, please put on your seatbelt.
No. I don't need them. I don't see. Maybe they go. I don't need them.
Put it on. You have a lot to do at the office today. Besides, I told you I'm very tired.
Oh, honey. I know the right closing belt too. I know the right closing belt. But if you say make I put them, I go use because of you put them. But I know right closing belt.
Thank you. But it's not closing belt. It's belt.
I don't know that. So they don't rebrand the name. See, I don't put them now. Look me the whole again. Make with the go.
You go now. But I'm sorry, we need to pray.
Play.
We need to pray so that God can protect us as we go.
Okay. No, play for us. Play.
Honey, you pray. I told you I'm tired.
You want me to play? In Jesus' name we play.
Amen.
Heavenly Father, even though we know say you know be police officer and you know be road safety, still we want make you take control of this our journey.
Amen.
I want make you protect me and my African queen. I want. Hey, what did I forget? Oh my God! What did I forget? I beg God, remove anything. We're gonna make people ask us where our God they live, because it go hard us to find you, since we never come to your house before. All this and the other one where I no remember, we ask through Jesus Christ our Lord.
Amen.
Onye si na faga ye meko, onye si na faga ye riko. Ichokwala udo, anyị chọrọ udo, chọrọ nsogbu. Ife abụkwa ndị nche n'obodo, ndị fa na-echekwa nche n'obodo. Fekwugo n'iso gị na ndị nche obodo, chara aka ghọrọ iwe ndị obodo.
Madman, honey, no go close, no go close. You go back to you. No madman, we know him. Everybody for this village now. They're very, very popular. You don't mad for like 29 years now. If you get small something for your pocket, I just give him. You go call him Wahara, come off for load.
What? I should give him a dime, me, over my dead body. Don't worry. When he's tired of staying there, he will leave the road. What is wrong with you? Leave the road now.
You know, say he be idiot. He be idiot, proper idiot. So now here you there. You know the shame. They carry you in the cruise. Why your baby, your honey, they home? He dey home. As someone dey home, they ask of you everywhere.
Is he talking to you?
Me, madman. They talk to a human being. He talk to himself now. We tell rock himself. You not talk pretty things today. If you leave and you go talk for 24 hours. Now proper madman. Leave him with the.
Not a shame.
No madman.
You go balance for another woman's property.
See, he not talk anything today. He not talk pretty things. This. No near make you no bite you. Now madman. No, don't mind. No take a serious. Madman. No see him closing belt.
I hope there's nothing you're hiding from me.
Me? Hide anything from you? Hide the Chris? Let me suppose that I ask you that kind of question. What do you hide something from me?
No, because if you are, you know that I'll find out.
I know they hide anything, my darling. My darling. Love is sweet, you. My darling.
Idante, having surgery for you. Yeah? He don't have a treasury for you. Unfortunately, we for water ma I want that baby Amara fit for baby getting something. Amara wear something. Acharu go wine. Go baby. Oh makata makadima. Hey, Amara makata makadima. Go live, Amara mama born you well. Go live, yo. Mwata go live, Amara go live. Your mama born you well. Go live, Tata go live. Hey, what's it? Hey, go. Hey. Wetin dey pursue you? Eh? Who dey pursue you?
The story, fire pass fire. Hey, ice block. Ice block no dey. Fridge water.
Na pot water dey.
Bring am. Hey.
Maka, good afternoon. And I beg your heart at the go show.
As you can see, they go market.
Yes.
That's no fee.
No, na important something I want to discuss with you. The thing no fee wait. If I wait, the thing will spoil.
Yes. I better no waste my time, mo. I don't go late.
I don't go waste your time. You remember that day where armed robbers attack you and Mama Adobe? Where me and my people come rescue you people.
Now you send the armed robbers.
Hey, why they shot? Let me send them. Eh?
Are they surprised as you dey talk am now?
Who talk am?
No be wetin you talk.
I don't talk anything. I say Mama Adobe say no be we save na.
Who she said stop save us?
He say na solo wise o. He say na save na from that those useless armed robbers.
One is one. Whether na you o, abi na solo wise. Wetin I know be say armed robbers be one attack us, but God deliver us. Ozola.
Yeah, you know where.
Ajukula mi ozo.
Okay, for your mind now, armed robbers don't finish for this village, abi? Okay. In fact, you will get a sugar upon if you are coming back. I rob Kwag again.
Onyesina faga ye meko, onyesina faga ye riko, kichakwaludo.
Hold on. Come here.
Story fire like fire, we fire.
Pass fire.
Hot pass fire. Hey, wait.
Head the nail now.
I see head the nail.
Head the nail.
Head the nail. The story fire pass fire.
Answer one. I don't like wetin you dey like do. No dey like am. Head the nail. Wetin be the story wey hot pass fire?
Your sister dey?
You know this.
Where she go?
She go see his family for Aba and daughters.
Okay.
Wetin be the story wey hot like fire?
The story the hottest pass hair fire. Ma talk am.
I know they like wetin you dey like.
Ma talk am.
Yes, now head the name. Talk am.
Na solo wise talk am o.
Talk say wetin?
Solo wise talk say he go make say make day by day come marriage me.
Na lie.
I swear he talk and say he go do am.
You no fit do am.
Am I supposed? No fit do. Amarachukwuka.
Now my name.
I don't know, say you be enemy of progresses. You are jealous in my marriage. Eh? Don't worry. I'm not going to come in the house again. Bye-bye.
Sorry. Come. I'll go explanation myself. Give you, come back. Yeah, no.
You go explanation. Hey. Onyara.
In Jesus' name we play.
Amen.
Heavenly Father, even though we know say you know the police and you know they work for road safety, I want make you take control of this journey.
Amen.
Lead us safely to our village. Remove anything we go make people ask us where our God they live, because it go hurt us to find your house, since we never come your house before. All this and one where we no remember, we ask through Christ our Lord.
Amen.
The grace. May the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, the love of God, and the sweet fellowship of the Holy Spirit rest and abide with us now and forevermore and forevermore. Amen.
Would you be my father's best friend? And anything, any bad thing will won't happen to me. You know, go see and close eyes. You bad. And any good one, where they on the road, where they come meet me, you know, go block them. I go carry them, come your house. What? I like it. Good. Now you and Igwe Akikuchoma II of this ancient kingdom wanna be children's hood from the time of immemorial. Good.
And if no be me, Igwe Akikuchoma will not be king today. Now he make the respect me pass other cabinet members.
I like this one. What would this one I concur? I want to make you Igwe Akikuchoma security weak point.
His security weak point. Now you and your group with this strike. Now he Igwe wants you people to start work again.
It's like they catch people. You know they see where they go or where they come from. What I mean is say the security will point every things and things where I do bring it back in the down, there on top, overthrow you. Because that is what if you bad.
Look what you do. You don't come from Igwe lineage. No. You fake die if you want to overthrow Igwe.
I know go die, and I make I decide. See make I come to you. So tell me how I go do the thing as if I see that shedding of blood.
So why? Opam, Akam, I know they. I will not overthrow Igwe Akikuchoma.
I know go overthrow Igwe Akikuchoma. You know they there. No problem.
Where are my phones?
You're not carrying your phone.
No, it should be here. Let me get it. Let me make a call.
Nah. The difference where they between us and Mary Jane. Plenty where. Huh? Thank God I know this thing to one swan. Huh? Enemy of progress. And Jane. My darling.
Yes. Sorry, honey.
Listen. This is for night. Come on.
My mind they tell me say, he won't tell us say don't see woman where you go marry. Now my mind they tell me.
Is it the only first time for this village where you talk something where person go hear you say yes, you don't talk something reasonable. You understand? This empty way your mind tell you now, within my mind they tell me. My mind they tell me say, you want me to go do committee of friends for this in marriage where you want to do.
Okay. But why you not invite one is one and day by day for this meeting?
So kind of like this, you could ask question where we say even person will travel go. If you say you know this village, how you could ask something like say you travel come up for this village? Eh? You know no say day by solo wise travel go day by day travel go Enugu to go see him girlfriend when one marry.
Who travel go Enugu?
Oh, I don't know.
If day by day travel go Enugu, why you no invite one is one? That one travel too.
And they talk to the person, they ask question. See, make I tell you before you go ask question, make you first ask question first. You understand? And they talk to this person, they no lay you for this village, no say one is one and the solo wise. They pass this. They don't use eyes see each other.
Huh? They don't see each other with the eyes. I don't understand you.
You don't understand what they do. It's alright. They quarrel.
Huh? One is stupid. Yes, stupidity. That is it.
I tell the stupid.
Why one is all going to quarrel with solo wise? You don't know say solo wise na man of the people. You know say another person to quarrel with.
We be boys of the people.
I don't know.
My good people.
The solo.
I say make we take this delicious, suspicious smell. You know, hold the body. We take our whole body. Hey.
Solo wise. Solo wise. Solo wise, you know say me and you na friend. You know the kind person why I be, you know say they behave. You know say I need to carry something for mind for person. I know they sit down begin to pretend something where I supposed to talk. I say no, I no go talk. Solo wise, this is the way you give us now embarrassment.
Well, una no tell me say una they do prayers. If I not say una they do prayers, that's fasting and prayer. I no go come waste my food.
Which food?
You don't know Gary. You know Gary.
Solo wise. See what he bring for us. The thing where Papa talking the truth. You just embarrass us. You embarrassing us here now. And if you know apologizing for us, we go leave your compound. Which kind of sort of this?
No problem. If you take right, I take sense. You gotta go. If you not say, in fact, I did sorry. I don't say we not the eat.
We don't eat Gary now.
In that case now, no na they embarrassing me, and therefore no na go now drop the apology to me. Person where they eat Gary and person where they drink Gary, no be the same thing.
Solo why I take me the same thing.
Of course, now what thing you eat here, no be Gary. Okay, if you bring Gary now, either you eat them by asoki, put them water, mix with the sugar, or you eat them by pounding and the hot water. Waiting enter here na Gary. So if you position to drop, what you go drop, na still Gary. So why are people talking?
Una still they talk?
Also na bungwa buchuku.
Not be my fault.
So why stole your 2 smartphones and your 10,000 naira?
Yes.
Have you called the guy that introduced this young man to you?
Alice, I just told you he stole my phones. Where am I supposed to get his phone number to call him? Is it not from one of the phones or something?
Then let's go to Baho and get them arrested.
No. I love that guy.
You love a man that never cared to help you at the time of need?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't. I love him. I don't want him to be tortured by the police. Besides, I'm carrying it. What?
You are what? Is he aware of the pregnancy? I bet help me with 20 naira. Make I take bite that the one with the
Where Meregi? What have I done? How many times will I talk about this blueprint that you should come up with? And so that I will know what your problems are in this world and see how to support you and help you. Huh? Why can't you bring your blueprint? Huh? Oh, you see here, you take 20 naira.
No worry, keep on.
Or is it 200 you want?
No worry. Make I bring my blueprint. I just wait, I come.
Yeah, hello. Hello. This is Chief Joe now. Okay. You are coming to the house. I'm still in the house. I'm waiting. Come straight then. All right.
Brother, you see my blueprint? You find where? You find.
So this is your idea of blueprint? Is this what you understand by blueprint? Why can't you even ask questions? You don't have asked me what do I mean by blueprint?
No be blueprint I wear to. What do you call me now? If you no want help me, just leave me alone. How wait for this one now?
Shut up!
You said blueprint. I wear blueprint. Come on. Now they tell me say no be this one. What do I mean?
Shut up and stop shouting at me. Have you grown wings?
I mean, no, they're telling me that thing, No, they're telling me that thing. Every time they tell me bring blueprint, blueprint, and I don't bring my blueprint. They're telling me say, no be what do you mean, If you don't want to help me, I beg, leave me alone. Go and help me one day,
Go back here. Amara. I will come up back here.
I tell you now, say if you not take right, I take it. That's when you say simple. It don't make 5 complete years. Why I never cook soup for this man. If I dey hungry like this, you see this garden, I get on 1 full bag like this. Once I dey hungry, I'll go there, dish out 2 cups, put them for plate, put them water, mix some either sugar or salt, augment them with coconut. And the granite.
You don't get food.
Hey! I don't eat with that.
If not so, solo, you miss many things.
Me the miss.
You miss many things. No.
Tell me what thing you think I miss. To eat gari, not to drink gari. Don't be the same gari. What thing matter be say you eat?
No.
Solo. This solo why?
I don't agree with you. You know they cook because you know they get time. I mean because you know sabi how to cook soup.
See better where they talk. Also, let me tell you. No be say because I know get time. You know say I get time. I get money. Are you with me? But the problem be say I know one waste that money. Say they go market, go buy those ingredients. Are they mad? Instead, if I dey hungry like this, if I get this gari, if I want to elevate the gari, I go drink them with the tea. I do okay.
I
tell you that. I told you something.
This solo.
Delay is danger. What do you make you call us?
Not true. I want taking a great bolding step for this my career, political career ambition for the next level now. I even say I go achieve them if you not supported me.
I don't know.
I
don't understand.
Waiting I mean they're very simple. I won't become the next Igwe of this Obahu ancient kingdom.
You won't become what?
Igwe of this very kingdom.
Solo wise, you know they're possible. You know they're possible.
Oh jam, it possible.
How it go possible? Tell me.
Good. I don't draft. I don't set everything map program. If we do them according to my plans, now be say we can achieve this thing. First of all, not supported me, then we can achieve this thing without much heat on our body. Believe me.
So
then
we need
this
our
one
support now.
Now waiting and you see this one. Next time now it will become something delicious. More than this.
Okay, we support you.
Yes.
We support you.
In that case, maybe we take another round, one plate of Gary drink.
One by one, every day by day, everything where you
The rest, our Kamkina.
remember
What you be on?
Mude. Ay, Otetukwana. It's been long.
Chief. You know, sir, our people talk
You're
say,
welcome. Yes.
toad no dey run in the time for nothing. If it no be something they pursue, you know, say they pursue something.
That's right. That's how you people said it too. But if you ask me my own opinion, I would rather say that it's usually better for a toad to pursue its own prey than becoming a victim.
Not true you talk, sometimes his chick go to sleep and the toad go waka enter the hand of the enemy.
Now that's when they would say it then becomes part of destiny.
Chief, why I find you come to say Ibake Uchoma too is seriously sick and you no get the money
you
to go to the hospital. Yes. I'm a come say make I beg you. Make you help save your life. Chief, please.
Ake Uchoma nkai. Igwe ake Uchoma. You know what you do? Go back to him, tell him to get ready. Let him get prepared because I'll just move straight to his house to take him to a specialist hospital.
Thank you.
Also tell him he shouldn't bother about money.
Huh?
I'm going to foot the bills. I'm going to take off the bills off his
Chief, thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Let me go and tell him.
Please go.
But the question I want to ask now is, how you take no say Igwe Akebuchonwa the second be sick? Very simple. I got the information. Money never there for burial. Solo, hold on, make we can. Solo, money never there for burial.
Why is that wise?
She's so wise.
Why is that wise?
Yeah, I thank God you are looking better. For your lab result, it says that you are suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition, and that has really short your blood. You are running shortage of blood. You know, from the findings, you are not been eating balanced diet.
Balanced
diet. Come on, you need to eat balanced diet. That is food that contains both protein, vitamins, and minerals. When you talk about the protein, you talk about beans, meat, milk. You talk about the vitamins, you talk about something like orange, pineapple, apple, you know, fruits and enough vegetable. And that will help to boost your immunity. So that any disease that want to enter into your body, your red blood cell will fight it. So that you enjoy good health. Yes.
Life we should get.
So, my dear, you need to eat those things to boost your immunity.
Yeah, doc, yeah, all these things now we talk. We say my blood. That night my blood low.
Very, very, very low. You know, I don't want to use just a term. A terminology I will use. You become scared, but you need to eat those things so that you will balance your life and nothing will happen to you.
Okay, yeah. The thing where you say I go eat it now, that thing we go make this blood where they low, you know, this blood to come up. To come up.
I thank God you understand. So, sorry, I have prescribed drugs for you. As you go to the dispensary, the nurse will give it to you, but don't rely on them. Ensure you eat balanced diet, just like I just said, okay? Yeah. And you answer Chief Sunu Wise.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
So,
Good.
enjoy your health, okay? It's well. Send for your bros. Choose solo wise.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You take right.
Yeah.
Take it.
The nurse will give your bros, eh? Choose solo wise.
Here, Merada, here, Gata, here, Maga, here, Baba, here, Mama, here, Mama, here, Mama, here, Mama, Hobby,
You look me finish. Me solo wise. You look me, you talk and say me. I don't get blood. You talk am. By the time I finish this blood, by the time I finish the one in this goat, by that time you gonna say I get blood. Thank you.
Ewu, thank you. What's that here? Here, Mama, here, Mama, here, Mama, here, Mama, here. Wham, Bobia.
We can make mistake, but you know. We may not so.
Here. Ejimia. Ejimki. Yeah. Bobia. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't take what I want. Thank you. Woke up. Blood capsule. If you take right, I take sense. Obi, you talk and say I don't get. Blood don't full everywhere. By the time I finish this one, blood go dey my body. Enough. Thank you, blood capsule, Ewu. Yeah.
We need to mix together.
Yeah, I'll call you back.
Why is the man? Why is the people?
So, Mr. Ozum, when I told that guy that he has shortage of blood, did I ask him to drink the blood of a goat? Did I?
Doctor, I know they at that time, but I know say you no go talk like that. That be the problem when we get with solo wise. He too wise. You know they gree say another person sabi something.
So what is your relationship with him? Are you his next of kin or something?
I be his friend somehow.
Okay, somehow his friend.
Yes.
All right. As his friend, run home and get a deposit of 100,000 naira.
100?
I must see it before I commence treatment.
Doctor, I don't get that kind of money. Now road that they pass, now his voice make me enter inside. Because he say the man just they die small. I carry him come here, come for your hospital. I don't get 100,000 naira, and I know say you don't get them too.
Okay, and you love him?
Yes.
Without the 100,000, there be no treatment.
I beg, doctor, I beg, no do like that. Treat him. If he gets where he go pay. I go make sure say he pay you.
Okay. Suppose he dies, who will pay?
Sorry for waiting I do that day. One wrong pitch come now, push you down, eh? They you say, so the wise tell me say, day by day say, so the wise say, he said day by day say, go marry me, you know come walk. You they writing me, are they wronging?
So what do you want make I do now?
No go forgiving me.
Hey, I don't forgive you things. That made me follow you come here now.
Hey, my friend.
You know, say, to err a human being and to forgive. Now the spirit of God, they work them out inside human being.
He get suggestion, one suggestion. Make we help ourselves.
Now which kind of suggestion? That way we go take a left ourselves.
Wait.
Hey. The kind of food, sweet like sugar, yellow like Fanta, everybody like Papa, is the kind of.
See, if Imbe go enter school, two of us will go enter school now.
Hey, Asa, how many years old you be now?
Walk. 25-year-old.
You 25 years old. So you just had not passed 25 years.
Who talk? You 35-year-old.
If I be 35 years old, then you, Asa, no, be 55 years.
Nah lie you talk. See, passing 6 no be passing sense so. Whether na 55 or 35, 25, 155, 555, make we close our ear like this. Run people enter school, or we run people like this. Go and walk. It go better for us.
It be like na true. I go sleep over am.
Go think over am. I go sleep under am. Over am. Under am.
He go like that, my friend.
I get a sense.
How could this happen to me? How could this happen? What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? After all I went through to make sure I get married. What did I get? I fell into the wrong hands. He stole from me. He's ruined my life. He took everything from me. Finished. What am I going to do with this baby? What am I going to do? God.
See, I can tell you now, Barbara White, if me and you sit down for this village, allow this guy be the next Igwe of this village, me and you go suffer. We go suffer well. So we got to do everything possible and impossible to stop him. If you think say or believe so, we will still get him out for this village.
See, make I tell you, relax yourself. No, they do all this gritty bomb. No, they bother your head. I already get plan for this idiot, and I know how to do them.
You know, say so if you talk this thing, they like say I don't want to listen to you. You don't tell why they hear this kind of story now. You know, you don't tell. So I'm tired of hearing all this. I get plan. Anybody will get plan, make him bring her out to me. Go they see the plan.
So you don't trust me.
I don't trust.
No, relax. I dey come. Relax yourself.
get plan. That's why I don't hear the. Hey!
No, be get that. No be for you.
I beg, no use this kind to play for me.
No be for you. No be you get that. You see this thing I hold for hand. Very soon I go know who get that. So relax yourself. This thing.
Who give you this thing?
Eh? Who give you this? Now, Mr. Necessity. Now give me this peso.
Mr. What?
Necessity.
Give you peso.
Yes. And very soon, the person will make me collect this peso in head, go leave in neck, dead down. Then he go no.
Like this now, I'm gonna ask you one question. Though. If I keep with your one die now, who will be the next Igwe?
Don't worry yourself. No, they ask question. When you want to ask question, first ask question first. You understand? By the time the person head come out, die, you go know who the throne.
Because why they ask you this now? I won't be the Igwe. Are they interested?
Let me say, go they ready to fight me.
With God.
Because that throne, let me get them.
With God. I fight you with God. I won't go see person. I won't go house see Chief Joe. Let her go see. You hold gun, say we go fight. I go see Chief Ake with your one. Chief Joe. No problem.
Idiots. Bonguro Sega. Bonfool. Vagabond. Idiotomatic. Resinimate. You, if thunder with a little bit lightning, no fire, you come in number. I tell you. Money will promise me say you go give me since. Till now you never give me the money. You may give now a chari. Nah. Hello? Sabina, since why I give you husband, I carry husband give you now to give me my balance now they had you a bit. I do bad thing carry husband to give you. Give me my balance now. They do me hanky panky. They do me wayo. Eh? Tell me what an bad thing I do you.
Not exactly. I will see you very soon.
Make your soon be your soon. Because like saying another person I do me this thing now. Honestly speaking, me and the person now for don't put leg for 1,000. But because of the way I take you, now make me if I look finish, I go calm down for you.
I'm sorry. I will see you before the week runs out.
I like some way you talk. If we can weekend that you cool. This weekend way you talk, I like him. I beg pay me weekend. I don't want disappointment though.
Sure, I will. Is Solo White number?
Oh, Solo White. I don't they call Solo White number since Solo White number no they connect.
He's telling them carrying his baby that should please call.
You get believe for Solo White?
Yes. I've been trying to reach him on his phone, but his phone has been switched off. He's telling to call.
It's alright, no problem. Then no problem. That will not be problem. But please, that my money where you say you go. Hello? Hello?
Fata, if I tell you wetin my brother do, you no go trust anybody for this world again. You know say my brother tell me say make I bring my blueprint. Say he go give me money for business. Oh, good. I go carry all the money wey I get for house. Take am go buy blue dress. With better print. Still yet, you no give me shishi. Chikom. You no give me. Chikom. You no give me. That one no good.
That's all my junior brother. Talk say ma carry my proposal. Don't come give am.
Your junior brother say make you carry. Oh, I don't understand. Alarm don't blow. Hey, your junior brother say make you come see am with your proposal. Hey,
I see just talk am. I do the phone. That boy na stupid.
You don't know say na abomination to marry you.
That boy na stupid.
His name na over stupid. His name na over stupid.
That boy na stupid. Since that day, you go dey call. I go dey pay you. You go dey call. I go dey pay you. You go dey call. I go dey pay you.
You do well. You do well. You do well. But after we get to down, plan am well. Whether na school you wan go, for school for good o, the must go. If school no gree us go, we'll go meet Auntie Nkiru. Make she teach us tailor. But if she no gree, fit still go meet Mama Azuka. Beg her well, make she teach us. But I for suggest say, make we go school, we must go school. So that all these small people and all these boys for this village go dey stop to dey insult us.
Because as you see me so now, they go like this. School? They go like this.
Even for your head? School? For your ear? School? For your face? School? For your leg? School? For your leg? School? The hanger about? School?
It's okay. You've cried enough. I promise you. Bad boy and his cohorts will never go unpunished. They will surely pay for what they have done to you. Alright?
Desperation is bad. It's really bad. Maybe if I wasn't that desperate, all this wouldn't happen to me. Just look at me. Maybe I really deserved what I got.
You learn by mistakes. Okay, you don't have to blame yourself.
No, I will blame myself. I will blame myself because I caused it. If I go to God in prayers, then at least I would have had peace of mind. Then maybe someday my husband will look at me.
Baby, it's high time you stopped dwelling in your past. I promise you, day by day and Babu shall never go scot-free. I must surely get them arrested, okay? So you don't have to worry.
You must do as you say. We must arrest them.
Chief, you know same Kuchabu Yojo. So me, I suggest somebody go to that palace. Go check whether Igwe Ake Kuchama done that. Before we go there, go declare it to Igwe. How you see him?
That's a good one. You have a point.
But Igwe, if you want us to establish the beginning of this your reign with enough blood, I promise you, I will remove all the obstacles when you do on your way to that throne.
I trust you. I trust you people, and I want to say that if what Mude told me is anything to go by, then by now supposed to have joined his ancestors. He would have been dead by now.
Igwe!
Good that you are here. Please, run to Igwe Ake Uchonwa's house. Run to his house and find out whether he's still alive or dead. Come back with your findings.
Okay, brother.
Quickly. My man, whatever will become the outcome. I want you people to just be ready for my inauguration. I've taken off. There's no going back.
You will know Yawa for you.
Oh yes.
Yawa for you.
Obuna Mubi Mubo Dogwejelo. We await the findings. Over my Chichiachiba Guru.
So, if I was actually sick and I sent for my cousin Joe to take him this donkey years to come.
Be like say Russian go bring doctor.
What if I die before the team of medical doctors arrive?
Ha! You go do that fun now, rush straight to this throne and sit like a new king.
No, but that's not me. He has always told me time without number that he's not interested.
Igwe na lie you. Na lie. That your cousin Joe is much interested over this throne.
Igwe, who wants to take my throne?
Igwe, na Chief Joe.
Why?
Igwe, as he did so, he don't plan finish a plan now to comot you from this your seat so that he go come sit down as the new Igwe.
I told you.
Igwe, that your cousin Joe is a great snake.
No, just stop saying this. Stop saying this before you see the other side of me.
Hey, I did sorry. Thank God I'm Amara. Amara.
Tell me what you told me. Has your brother, my cousin, gone back to the city?
My brother, he's all ready to come take over the throne.
Take over the throne? Where is he now?
He gave for house.
That is impossible. Even if I die now, Joe cannot take over the throne because I already have an heir who's going to take over the throne.
Even you, now why are they surprisingly? Because even when he said I can't check whether you don't die, my leg no agree come. But I can't force her. They drag her till he come.
My friend, you will go and take some youths and go to Chief Joe's house and drag him to this palace immediately.
Yes.
You will. Young woman.
Make I go.
I say go! Cousin.
Our country now. What happened? Where did they not come from now? Where did they go?
Now your house are they go?
I did there for house by this hour of the day.
Forget that question. Wait, ask now. Hey, Ozo. Wahala there.
Talk, let me hear. What happened?
You see, I dey come back from where I go buy something. As I dey come back from the message, I can see where people gather like this. I can see police motor. Police. Hi. Yo. You know what happened? Hi. I can see day by day. And Babu White. I then carry their hand put together on top of the police motor like this. Bam. Uja.
You sure say that day by day and Babu White?
I be no day by day and the Babu White.
What happened now?
Me, they ask me. Now I say make I go closer. Go see what thing happen. I come here say, now because of that woman where day by day carry, I call this wahala.
Oh no.
Hey, Ozo.
No. Asawa, why you go do that kind of thing? Why, Asawa, why?
No be Asawa. Hey, no be Asawa. Now that woman, we find well, we get money. And be the person, no be Asawa.
That one where they come from city?
That one we find, we get motor. Now him.
Hi. What happen now? What did they by day do?
I don't know. So now make they come your house. I don't know. Person don't enter for problem.
Hey. Go your house, go rest now.
Hold on there. Hey, stop there. Move up. Fire, stop there.
No request. What do you want?
We come to carry you.
Your father there. The trace.
Carry who?
We want you.
We want you.
Okay, no problem.
We want you. Man, no, dava.
Please take it easy.
Chief.
That's me.
Let us go.
I am good.
Move. Nari.
I should move.
Let's go. Nothing to talk.
Why don't you people come in? I have something for you.
Let us Nari first.
Money.
Let us Nari first. Let us go Nari.
Enough money.
No Nari, Chief.
There's nothing to settle. Let's go.
Shebi Bible talk say, make we dey wise like Dikeh yo. Ọ̀pọ̀ akwụkwọ nsọ kwuru si, make we dey wise like Dikeh yo. Idikwa very wise like Dikeh yo. Adekwa too sharp like Dikeh yo. Shebi you dey wise like Dikeh yo. Chai, adekwa too sharp like Dikeh yo. Mana okay sense na safo. Okay sense in nsogbu. Okay sense in nsogbu. Asi okay sense na safo. Okay sense na safo. Okay, sense in the Nensomunu. Okay, sense in the Nensomunu. Chai, Ibo Nyenche, it's in Ibo Nyenche. Village security, the vigilante, Nejikwa Babu Wire. One by one, every day by day, everything where you do. Remember, say you get reward, oh, and when it comes, you must collect you.